Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Telegram account. So, first of all, to log into your Telegram account, you must have the Telegram app downloaded on your device. Once it's downloaded on your device, simply open it and there tap the option Start Messaging. It will ask your country code and your phone number. Simply choose your country code and enter your number. After entering both your country code and phone number, tap Next. And then it will send a verification code to either the Telegram app on your other devices or your phone number. Open your device and type in your code. And there, it will automatically log in to your Telegram account. So that is how you can log in to your Telegram account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.